Hello, my name is Evie and I have something very special for you today. I've just finished a lovely new pattern that doesn't require advanced sewing skills, but the results are amazing. Even if you're just starting your sewing journey, with some fabric, interfacing and a bit of determination, you can create the perfect gift for a loved one. I know, I'd love to receive a set like that for my birthday or Christmas. It'll look fantastic in any living room or a nursery. The possibilities are endless. Let's get started. This is the set we'll be making today. You can choose matching fabrics, contrasting ones, or even use your scraps. There is a size for every bit and bob you can imagine. All sizes look super sweet and can add a fresh aesthetic to any space. I've chosen those matching pure cotton fabrics because they are my favorite. They always look chic. When you print your pattern, please check that the little square in the top right corner measures exactly 1 inch. This ensures that the sizes are accurate. Here is how they look printed. You'll need 2 pieces of the main fabric, 2 pieces of the lining, and 2 pieces of interfacing. I'll show you how to prepare the larger pieces for cutting. Place the interfacing with the sticky sides together. Then lay the pattern piece on the cutting mat. Now slowly trace the pattern. Take your time with this step. You can repeat the process with the main fabric and lining. This is how they should look. We'll have 14 pieces of interfacing, 7 pieces of the main fabric, and 7 pieces of lining. Arrange in sets like this one. Iron all pieces well and attach the fusible interfacing to the wrong side of the main fabric and the lining. I use a heat erasable pen to mark the exact point where I want the corner to end, but you can use any method you prefer. Even a pin will work if you're careful. Precision is a key here. Now fold the corner like that and sew a straight line, keeping an eye on the marked point. Repeat this for all corners. They should look like this. Now trim the excess fabric with pinking shears. Also trim the excess fabric on the corners like that. Repeat this on the other piece. Then fold the sides like this to form a square. This will help shape the bow later. Lay both pieces right side together, pin at the corners and make sure to match the seams. Now sew the pieces together with a straight stitch, remembering to leave an opening. Sew slowly and carefully, especially around the corners. Finally, clean the edges with pinking shears, but leave the side with the opening uncut. Begin turning the bow right side out, working carefully. You can use your fingers or a chopstick to help. The bow already looks adorable. Now trim all loose threads and pin or clip the opening. Sew slowly and carefully to top stitch and close the opening. Take your time with this step. Cut all the loose threads. Now let's iron the finished project well, shaping the bow with the nice square edges on the bottom. Don't forget to iron both sides. I think they look amazing, and I can already imagine all the ways they can be used. This pattern offers so many options to add cute decorations to your space. Be sure to check the link in the description to visit my Etsy store and get one for yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more fun and easy sewing projects. Happy sewing and see you next time!